Hi, this is how you factory reset a Wanbo projector. In this specific case, I am using the Wanbo Mozart 1 Pro, but the process is, from what I can find at least, basically the same on most Wanbo projectors. If you only want to reset your video output settings such as color settings, four corners corrections, etc., you can do this without resetting the whole projector and also without removing your Google account if you want to do so. To do this, just press the settings button on the remote to bring up the projector's own menu. Then go a few steps down and select Advanced Setting followed by Factory Reset down the bottom. Press OK and then again select Factory Reset to initiate the factory reset of the projector's image settings. This only takes about a minute to complete, whereupon we are then back in the main menu again. If you instead want to delete everything, including your Google account settings, etc., this is instead done through the Android TV settings. Here, start by navigating to the settings icon up to the right and select Device Preferences in the list. Then select About followed by Factory Reset. Be sure that you really want to delete everything from the projector and leave it as it was when you unpacked it for the first time, apart though from any software updates you might have installed. And then again select Factory Reset followed by Erase Everything to initiate the process. This reset process is a bit more lengthy and takes roughly 2.5 minutes to complete, after which you are then presented with the installation screen. When you have reached this part, it is time to turn the projector off with the button on the top if you're selling or getting rid of it, or if you want to, you can also keep following the on-screen instructions to set it up again. Alright, that's about that. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching, bye!